Who do you think will be the new deputy speaker? The 18th Lok Sabha will have a deputy speaker, but it is likely to be from the NDA and not from the opposition. Once official, the action will intensify the opposition's resentment towards the government in the coming days. Delighted by the increased strength in the Lok Sabha, the leader of the opposition party, Rahul Gandhi, is demanding the post of deputy speaker. The NDA emphasizes that elections will be held for deputy speaker post. It will be a parliamentary convention to elect a deputy speaker of the Lok Sabha from a party other than the ruling party to run an accountable democratic parliament. In the 17th Lok Sabha, which is from 2019 to 2024, the post was vacant in the second term. In the 16th Lok Sabha, AIADMK's Thambi Durai was the deputy speaker. The opposition wanted a deputy speaker post, but NDA did not want to agree to it. They made K. Suresh an opponent for Om Birla for the speaker post. By elections, Om Birla became the speaker of the Lok Sabha. Article 95(1) of the Indian Constitution states that while the office of the speaker is vacant, the duties of the office shall be performed by deputy speaker, or if the office of deputy speaker is also vacant, by such member of the House of People as the President may appoint for the purpose. As per the provision, the appointment of the deputy speaker can be delayed. When it comes to Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, the speaker is often appointed during the first session of the new government. Usually, the elections take place after the oath-taking ceremony. Normally, the position of the deputy speaker is awarded in the second session. However, occasionally, the Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha positions are announced in the first session. Well, the deputy speaker is often chosen during the second session itself. The election of the deputy speaker in the Lok Sabha is governed by the Rule 8 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Lok Sabha, which states that the speaker will choose the date for the election. Once a motion suggesting the deputy speaker's name is carried out, the deputy speaker is elected and holds office until the house is dissolved completely. According to Article 94, a House of People member serving as speaker or deputy speaker will lose their position if they leave the parliament. Following the death of the first speaker G.V. Mavalankar in 1956, Deputy Speaker M. Ananthaswamy Iyengar took over the Lok Sabha for the final year 1956 to 1957. When G.M.C. Balayogi, the Speaker of the 13th Lok Sabha, passed away in 2002, the House was led by Deputy Speaker P.M. Saeed till Manohar Joshi was chosen as the Speaker. When Congress was ruling the government from 2004 to 2009, the post of Deputy Speaker was held by SAD's Charan Singh Atwal, and from 2009 to 2014, the post was held by BJP Kariya Munda. When Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the Prime Minister from 1999 to 2004, the post was held by Congress PM Saeed. He was also the Deputy Speaker during the short-lived BJP government from 1998 to 99. When I.K. Gujral was the Prime Minister for a year from 1997 to 98, there was no Deputy Speaker. From 1996 to 97, when H.D. Deve Gowda was the Prime Minister, the post was held by BJP's Suraj Bahan. In the 10th Lok Sabha from 1991 to 96, when P.V. Narasimha Rao was the Prime Minister, S. Mallikarjunain of BJP was the Speaker.